Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips, and today look forward to doing another video on the Teeter FreeStep. And this one, I am gonna call it the tips and tricks video. And the reason why I wanted to put this video out is I was looking at some of the comments on my other Teeter FreeStep videos, and one of the things that came up is being able to adjust the handles and reverse it. So I want to talk about that first, and then I want to share with you some other things to think about. So what's really cool about the Teeter FreeStep, and especially if you're thinking about getting it, you are going to love it. It is a great workout. I did over about a 35-minute workout. I did 2 of the sessions with the app, and by the way, the app is fantastic. It's free. You could do as many sessions as you want. And I love Tim to warm up because he uses your arms while using the machine, and so you're getting a shoulder workout and doing a good full body workout. And then also like Brian, those are the 2 that I go to, but all the instructors are great. I've done several videos and it's good to mix it up anyway. But this was the thing that I thought was interesting that some people didn't know, so I figured you may not know that either. And that is, so you can have the grips up here that you are working your chest and back. And you can see you've got a lot of different places where you can put your hands on the grips. And so what you can do is basically turn the knob and then turn this around like this on both sides. And so now you are getting and working not only your triceps, but you're working your biceps as well, which is great. So you can choose which one you want to go with. So just to give you an idea, again, you can have it in the upright position, or you can have it the other way, and then you can really get a great workout in and do both. Now what's interesting is I move it back to the standard way that most people are going to have it, and is even though the other way is using your triceps and biceps, you can still get a bicep workout in this way, in that when you are moving like this and you're pulling, you're gonna actually feel it in your biceps as well, which is great. So this is the main part of what I wanted to talk about today. Now, by the way, I did upgrade from the LT1 to the LT3, which is this unit here. Sold my LT1. And I got the LT3. And some of the things to think about, if you have the budget, it is a nicer upgrade. The seat is got a bit more cushion, bigger seat. It also has better components in the main part of the unit. The other one, the LT1, is still a great unit, but the LT3 has upgraded components to it. Also, the hand grips, you're going from foam grips to rubberized grips. And so that's nice. Now, the one thing the LT1 has, the LT3 doesn't have, is on the ends of the grip, it had these knobs that would turn. So if you are doing your, when I had it, actually, if I had these in reverse, let me do this real quick. So if I were to, if I were doing a workout and with the biceps and holding it like this, it was nice that you had that knob to turn, where here you don't have that. So that is the one part that I wish I did. Now, if Teeter, by the way, sees the video, maybe on a future units that you can put even on the LT3 with these handles, some kind of knob that you can turn, but it still works and it still is a great workout. So wanted to share that with you and talk about how you can still get a good bicep workout even when you have it in this position. So that is what I wanted to focus on. So I like on the LT3, the pedals, the foot pedals, they've got rubberized mats almost on top where your feet sit. So compared to the other LT1 it's just a plastic foot pedal. So you're having plastic with the rubberized markings, as you can see here. And so it's got a nice grip that holds well. Again, you got the bigger seat, and it's an upgraded unit as far as the components go. And of course, as many of you know, you can do just your legs. You can do a full body workout, which is great. Now, a couple other things I wanted to talk about as well, in addition to the app, and don't forget it's free, is I have a ring here. And what I like about this ring, even though I've got a watch, so what's interesting is I've got the Garmin Fenix 6 watch, which is one of the most expensive watches in the Garmin lineup. And it doesn't give accurate heart rate unless I'm wearing a heart rate monitor. So this ring, which is great, with the app, you can get a more accurate readout of your heart rate, and it's really great. It tracks it, and you just wear it on your finger like this, and then you could do workout. You could then see your heart rate. You could see your oxygen level, and it really is nice to have that when you're working out. So those are just a few things that I wanted to share about today. And as I think about more helpful tips and tricks for this amazing workout, I will certainly let you know. Teeter really did an amazing job with this machine. I love it. It's great. Nice to have the free classes, and hopefully in the near future they'll do some live classes as well, which will be cool, so we can all motivate each other. But let me know if you have any questions. I hope this video is of help. If it is, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you feel I can add value, please subscribe to my channel. And the bell icon you want to make sure to click on as well. And what that does is notify you when a new video comes out. So there you go. Great product. I love it. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll put a link to the ring where you can get more information on that. And also for the Teeter FreeStep. And also one of the things that I would also recommend, by the way, is the mat for the floor, so you're protecting the floor while you're using the machine. So appreciate your time. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.